All right, you guys, I have a few beauty products with me and I want my husband to guess each of them. Are you ready?
Yeah, do you want to clean your bathroom first?
No. Okay, let's start. First one we have is this one.
I think it's like something with your head. Like, is it a brush? It's a bad brush. Is it a brush?
Yeah.
You
spot
use
on.
this? This is terrible.
What about this?
Are you supposed to use it like this? Is it
Yeah.
also a brush or
Yeah,
is it like for your, is this like a skin
Try it on my-
exfoliator
yeah.
or something?
Third, we have this.
Is it, there's like a electrical outlet. It's like a table. I don't know. It on top or
Yeah.
it dries
So
it. Like
good.
you put your hairbrushes on when they're like wet after you.
Yeah, I dry my hairbrushes under this. Okay, last one, we have this.
Is it like a back scratcher that's, or is it for your hair?
It's for
I
your
don't know.
back. Try it on me. Oh yeah, that feels so good.